Hey traders, welcome back to the FX Heat YouTube channel. Hope everyone is good today. Get ready for a crazy day of trading today. We've had some big news events that just happened, as well as some big events still to come. Anyways, let's get into the charts and try to understand better where the market wants to go. So starting with the news, if you look here, we don't really have anything significant for London. We have Lagarde speaking 5 minutes before New York Open, and then we have the big events. We have NFP and unemployment 30 minutes after New York Open. And then, just so everyone's aware, some of the other big news that has recently happened. You may be aware Boris Johnson resigned, and just a couple hours back, or 3 hours back, the ex-prime minister in Japan, Abe, he got shot, and from everything I've read, he's in pretty critical condition. And now on to Dixie. So starting with the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the price is more or less just ranging in this wide range. Price came down right after Japan Open, and thereafter reacted off demand, pushed up and came back up and tested the highs. If we go on the 15-minute, you can see a little more clearly what had happened. So after, well, actually from last night, price was slowly pushing down, and then after Japan Open, you can see that price had more of an aggressive push down, testing 15-minute demand, thereafter reacting off of it. And you can see here we had a reaction zone, so a demand created after the break of the lows, or after the break of the demand, creating a flip zone here. Price actually reacted off this flip zone, and honestly, when I was watching this, I thought that Dixie was gonna come right back down, but what happened, Abe got shot and the price immediately pushed up with an impulse, and then ever since then played around with some impulses up, played around, impulses up, and after testing the highs, starting to have a reaction, but not sure if it's gonna come down or not, because if you look here, it looks like it reacted off demand again, and either it's just a reaction off the demand and it's gonna continue down, or it's just gonna continue and push right back up. Now, if we go to EU on the 4-hour, we start to see a different picture. So yes, price is ranging. Price came up, tested supply after Japan Open, and thereafter you can see this aggressive push down. We've reacted after breaking the lows, came back up a little. But now we're starting to come back down again. And then on the 15-minute, so once again, correctively pushing up, and then after Japan Open, a little more aggression in the move up, but we reacted off the supply zone, started to come right back down with some aggressive pushes down along the way, until ultimately we had this very aggressive move that broke the previous low. Thereafter it was probably inducement to push the price right back up, but again we reacted off supply, pushed down away from it. It could just be a reaction off the supply and price continues to push up, or it may just continue to push right back down. So for EU, you can clearly see that it's much more bearish than DXY is bullish, and it's much more obvious considering we broke the lows. And as it is Friday, well, first for London, I'm thinking there is a strong potential that it may melt down further. I mean, just the way the price action is constructed, we've already broken lows. I wouldn't be surprised if we came back for a pullback and pushed down further. But as it is Friday, I still have in mind that we may see somewhat of a pullback, reversal. But again, as the lows were already taken, it gives me a lot less confident to say that. And even if it does happen, it may have to wait for NFP and potentially lower lows beforehand. So overall, my bias is to the downside. I think that we're going to continue down, and what I'll be looking for come Frankfurt Open and London Open is maybe some pullbacks to test upper supply. And if we get a pullback to upper supply, I'll see if we can get some confirmation to enter shorts. But if the high goes, so if this supply range goes, then definitely I won't be looking for shorts anymore unless we have more of a sweep. So price comes up and then immediately comes right back down, then I'll still be looking for shorts. Well, that's it for me for London analysis. Again, I am bearish. I will be looking for shorts and continue to look for shorts unless I see supply get broken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts about the price action that you think will happen for the coming session. Drop a comment below. And if you found value in this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and to ensure you don't miss any videos in the future. And I'll see you guys in a few hours for New York analysis. And good luck trading today. Peace.